If you've ever wished to monitor your infrastructure on your mobile phone, you are going to love this. Here is Netdata, a software that makes it possible for you to monitor your infrastructure right on your mobile phone. I'm going to show you how. But before we start, may I ask you to please subscribe to the channel, to like and to share. Thank you. Now let us quickly install Netdata on my server. We've got a couple of commands we need to run. This is the second one. This is going to detect the version of the system I'm using. It's going to choose the right packages, install dependencies, and a whole lot of other things. Like I said earlier, one of the things I love about Netdata is that after the installation, we don't even need to go through any configurations. It's going to detect the metrics by itself. Now our installation has completed. Now let us check the status. Here we can see that it is active. The next thing we need to do is to connect to the Netdata. Here you need localhost, then this port number. Let's hit enter. There you go. Finally, we can see the web interface of Netdata. Very easy. The next thing that you need to do, we don't need to sign in. Let's just click where it says skip and use the dashboard. Once you click there, it's going to gather all the metrics, all the services of your the system you are trying to monitor. So it's going to gather everything, no configurations. Finally, we are in. That's how easy it is to use this tool. Here we can see the CPU. We can see the app, the app's CPU. We can see here I've got this Kubernetes. Here I've got Docker. I also have Kubernetes somewhere, but it doesn't matter now. The main point is that here we can see the CPU. We can see everything here. It's very easy. From these tabs here, you can kind of navigate through. We can see the nodes here when we click there. We can see the nodes, and here I've got only one node, which is Ubuntu. We can see, we already saw the metrics before. We can see the logs and so forth. Finally, here is my mobile phone, and I'm going to monitor that server using this mobile phone. What you need to do here is to find the IP address of the system you want to monitor, and then use it with the port number that we used earlier. So this is the same interface that we saw. You go on and click skip and use the dashboard. So when you click on it, you are going to see exactly what we had seen earlier. The same interface, everything just laid out to you. It's very simply here. So here you can see the CPU again. You can see all the components of your system. Here you can see the nodes again. So basically everything you are going to you have on your system, you are going to find it here without even configurations. Another important thing is to look out for this. Sometimes it says paused. So sometimes you might want to play it. You can see all the graphs. And that's it for now. In the next video, what I want to do is to configure this in such a way that you will receive an alert on your mobile phone whenever there is an incident.